Stakeholders at the 2026 National Social Cohesion Dialogue in Abuja have called for stronger collaboration among religious institutions, traditional rulers, government, and civil society to promote peace, unity, and inclusive development in Nigeria. Now, according to the executive director of the Africa Polling Institute, Bell Ear, the latest social cohesion survey recorded a national index of 48.8%, the highest since the study began, with many Nigerians increasingly identifying first as Nigerians rather than by ethnic or religious affiliations. Representing traditional leaders, Mukhtar Ibrahim, on behalf of the Emir of Kano, Mohammed Sanusi II, described traditional and religious institutions as custodians of culture, moral values, and reconciliation, urging them to combat hate speech, extremism, and division.
We must continue to champion the values of tolerance, inclusiveness, compassion, justice, and respect for human dignity. We must actively discourage all forms of division, extremism, hate speech, and discrimination, while encouraging dialogue, understanding, and cooperation across ethnic, religious, and regional lines.
The 2026 Nigeria Social Cohesion Index has been computed at 48.8%, 2 percentage points higher than last year's index of 46.8%, and the highest level recorded since the study commenced. Although the index remains marginally low, below the average 50% benchmark, this upward trend suggests that Nigerians continue to demonstrate resilience and a commitment to coexistence despite prevailing hardships.
Religious and traditional institutions are recognized as pillars of guidance, moral authority, and community solidarity. Their voices carry the wisdom of generation, and their influence reaches the heart of people, irrespective of status.